A challenge or video series funnel. So the goal of a video series, often a Jeff Walker Sideways launch kind of series, or a challenge, often a 5-day challenge, is to create engagement with your user or your target market and then prime them for transition into sales messaging because you're getting them ready to warm up to you and feel engaged with you in advance of offering a product or a service. This kind of funnel, so either a video series or a challenge funnel, is often complemented with a webinar funnel, which acts as kind of the culmination point for all of the excitement and is the trigger for your cart to open. The first step in mapping your funnel against the stages of awareness is just to go page by page and do your best to map each page against each stage of awareness. This is kind of a continuum, right? These stages of awareness. So you're looking for the best fit, not the perfect fit. So the first page is often the challenge page or the video series page, right? The page upon which they sign up for your content. Then there's often the challenge videos or the video series video pages. Then there's your sales page and your checkout page. So this is almost always the kind of layout for a challenge or a video funnel. Once you've mapped out your pages, the next thing you're looking for are opportunities to encourage the user to take the next best step with your ads. So you'll create ads that will help drive the user to sign up for the challenge or the video series. And if they don't opt in, you can create retargeting ads to drive them back to that page. If they have opted in, you can keep them engaged in the content by creating ad units that retarget to the challenge or the video series content. Once cart is open, you can create ads that drive them to the sales page and help them continue to go back to the sales page until either cart closes or they make a purchase decision. And if anyone drops onto the checkout page, you can then retarget them and encourage them to continue to go back to the checkout page until they make a purchase decision. So you can see how step 1 is map your pages. Step 2 is look for opportunities to support your user to move through those pages and take the next best action. A real life example is through StoryBrand. We'll take a look at these guys who are fantastic. So in this case, they have an ad unit that's driving folks to what they're calling a 5-minute marketing makeover, but it's a video series, right? So anyone who clicks on this ad gets driven to this landing page, and if they opt in, they then get sent via email a number of videos. There's 4 videos in this case, and this looks just like a Jeff Walker style video launch where each of the videos has a very specific sort of purpose, and then the last video educates the user on the product or service that they're about to pitch. Once the user goes through these videos, they're then sent to a sales page where they can make that final decision to buy or not buy. So if I was mapping out their funnel, my first step, of course, would be to put their pages against the stages of awareness with my best approximation. So there is the challenge sign-up page. Then there are the challenge videos that help the user become aware of the solution. Then there's the sales page and the checkout page. And at each step, once I've put the pages down, I'm now looking for opportunities to support with ad units that will drive the user back to these key pages so that the user can continue to take the next best action in this particular funnel. So your next step is to go and map your funnel steps or your ecosystem steps against the stages of awareness. When in doubt, go page by page, do your best approximation. It's not about being perfect, it is about just getting a sense of what stage of awareness your user is going to be in based off of the funnel step that they've interacted with last. Okay, I'll either see you in the other ecosystem/funnel videos or in the next module.